Okay, here are 2 ThermalZone central air conditioning units at a commercial place nearby my town. Currently, neither of these are running. Has a Copeland scroll compressor. That's a 5-ton from 2011. And here's this unit. That was the same thing as that one. And there is one more unit on the other side of this thing. Here's this unit. And I'm not really sure what brand it is. I think it might be a Lennox. It's got a big reciprocating compressor. Yeah, this is a Lennox. It's a L series. That's a 7.5 ton from 2000.